Did an LATROBE E4 supercharger, header suspension on all four corners with sway bars, bare brakes. I mean, this thing's got amazing brakes on it. Comp cams, lifters, valve springs, etc., push rods, stuff like that. G-force axles, put those in the rear. Stainless Works, kind enough to donate the full exhaust system from headers all the way to the back. Weld wheels, sponsored the wheels. Cloud sent us a clutch for it, and also did a short throw shifter on it. Yeah, that's really all we did.
What's up, guys? We are here with Jeff Lutz Jr. This is the man that built the machine. And so, Jeff, I want to ask you, basically, why is this thing here?
Well, it's going to get a little facelift.
Okay.
I mean, it looks good the way it is, but it needs something.
What's the purpose of the car? Why did you guys build this in the first place?
CRC decided to do Build of the Future to kind of get more kids involved in skilled trades. They kind of had the idea to build a car, auction it off, and then when it gets auctioned off, the proceeds are going to pay for scholarships for kids to go to a trade school. So that's kind of the whole idea behind it and reason behind it, and I mean, I think it's great.
Awesome, and I think that's super cool. For those of you guys that don't know, I dropped out of college. I'm a huge believer in working with your hands. I think there's a lot of money there. A lot of awesome things can be done with the trade. So big supporter of that. Jeff, thank you very much for bringing the car in. We're excited to get it back to you. Check this thing out at SEMA.
We're finally part of a SEMA build that we don't have time to do.
All right, guys, we're outside with Jeff Lutz's GTO, or I guess not his, but the one that they built so that they can auction off right after SEMA. And we just finished up the vinyl wrap. We changed this thing from silver to yellow. The world doesn't know that yet, but we're going to be announcing the color. And of course, the yellow is significant because that is Jeff Lutz's signature color on his GTO from the show Street Outlaws, as well as many other cars in his past. So check it out.